Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I thought today would be a fun time to do a shop with me video. Maybe I can give you an idea too of something you could get for yourself this winter. As you can see, my kids aren't with me, so it's the perfect time to go shopping. My husband and I got paid today and we were able to pay the mortgage. Yay! I asked him if it's okay if I spend a few bucks at the thrift store. I'm thinking maybe around $6. So here's my plan. Here in the city that I live in, the weather just dropped from 90 to 55. It's so funny because I saw on Facebook, there was a meme, I'll connect it in this video, that it said the weather just dropped from 90 to 55 like it saw a state trooper. So I thought that was really funny. You know, when you're driving too fast on the highway and you see a cop, you slow way down, right? That's what our weather did here. It went from 90 to 55, hence why I'm losing my voice. So I'm pregnant, so I was thinking what I would really like to get today, if I can, is a lot like extra big, not extra large, but like bigger than extra large, pregnant size hoodie that zips up and is plain colored. Orange would be great, or maybe blue or like purple or something. We'll see what we can find and try to find it for a good deal. I also have like an iron-on VIPKID thing, so if I'm able to find a hoodie that works like that, I'll show you guys the process of me ironing it on. You can get a VIPKID hoodie on Etsy for like $50, but y'all know I'm cheap. You can get an iron-on patch for like $5, $3 on Etsy, and I buy the iron-on and I iron it on myself. All right, let's head in. So this thrift store was a flop. I did not find what I was looking for. My GPS says that there's another thrift store I've never been to before, 7 minutes away. Let's go on an adventure. Hey friends, so I'm here at another thrift store. I've driven past this thrift store a lot, but I've never been inside. Let's go see if we can find what we're looking for here. Again, we're looking for a really big zip-up hoodie that I can turn into a VIPKID hoodie. I found what I wanted. This is a men's extra large. You can look originally $79.50, brand new. I got it for 15 bucks. So compared to the 80 bucks that it normally is, 15 bucks is a good deal, but for me, I'm kind of cheap. I feel like it's a little pricey. It was $16.33 with taxes, but this is gonna fit me when I'm pregnant all through the winter. It's stretchy, it's really nice quality, it's brand new, and I've got an iron-on I can put on this. Let's go home and iron something on it. Hello friends, I now have my iron heating up, and I have my sweater with my iron on. Let's look at it. Okay, so this is a zip-up hoodie that I already had at home, but I'm going to improve it by adding an iron-on VIPKID teacher sign. Okay. Here is the first sweater. I love it. It's great. Woo! I love it. Super cute. I love it.